can say that again. We're all a family. He's right. Still true. We're all sisters. And we're all a family. So, what does that mean? We're sisters. Some of us are brothers. The ones that are awesome are sisters. And still the ones that are awesome are the brothers. In that case, everyone, you know what we're going to say? Well, if you don't know my name, my name is Nuts, because I love nuts. We all, almost all of us forget our names. Mine is Sparky. My name is Sparky. Do I know my name? Oh yeah, I already told you guys. I'm so funny. Well, I know I'm from Looney Tunes. So am I. So all two of us are from Looney Tunes. I think I know my name. My name is Crunch. Because I like to crunch things. Please don't say that you like to crunch cats. No. But my name is Snip. And that's all I know. So what we're going to do today is we're going to have a blast. I can even walk onto a ball, especially a red one. La 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 la. Oh! And it can balance on my head. La 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 la. Oh! Okay. So everyone, I brought a little toy with me. Don't press it. Why?
Relax. Calm down now. Don't stress.
Take it easy. Oh my gosh, I hate that toy. It's a take it easy. Okay, I'm done. My speech is the... my speech. I forgot. Oh yeah, my speech is to have fun, be nice, and we can all have fun. We should agree with her. Everyone in? Yeah! But also don't forget one more speech. My speech is that when you have to do something and it hurts, does it hurt this much or this much? And I have no idea where that hand came from. So, and also if you're underwater creature, don't mind, just stay up above water as much as you can. Woof, woof. If you're a dog, you can eat treats. And sometimes you can just eat a little grass. Well, thanks for everyone for putting out a big speech. The most of all is what Big Bear said. Me? Yes. Have fun, be nice, and we can all have fun. That's what everything's about. Having fun and never, ever, ever fighting. Because when you fight, you get in trouble by telling on that person. And that person sometimes won't get in trouble because you're tattletelling. And I don't tattletale. So you guys don't tattletale. Tattletale means when you're saying, say, Big Bear hit me. Ow! I'm going to go tell the teacher. Hey, Big Bear hit me. That's what tattletelling is. Don't worry, that wasn't true. I know you didn't mean to hit me. I told you to. And so if someone tells you to do something, like something mean or rude, don't do it. Because say if they said, hey, you can jump out a window. Will you jump out a window for me? And what would you say? I think I would say no. So don't say something that you know that would hurt. Exactly. That's what I was trying to get out of my brain. Ha ha. Brain? What do you mean? A brain, something that you think with. Okay, enough with the learning. Hey. Well, they're actually true. Let's agree with her. Just like Lion. Yeah, let's do it. Agree with her. 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 Oh, what a day. Goodbye.